Hello everyone, my name is Mozis and I am a literature program student from Universitas Kristen Indonesia, and this is my day in my life. So, I usually wake up at 5:50 in the morning, and after I wake up, I quickly tidying up my bedroom and preparing to take a shower. At first, I take my shower towel and I went straight to the shower to take a shower and have a toothbrush. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and after that I already changed my clothes and get ready for going to campus. I pack my bags, usually put my laptop and my charger, and then I'm preparing to go on the road to the campus. I put my shoes on and preheating my car because I'm using a car to the campus. After my car is all heat up, I go straight to the road, and it's usually taking about 20 to 30 minutes depending on the traffic, but sometimes it could get until almost 1 hours. And yeah, it's the traffic in Jakarta is sometimes very hard. After arriving, I went straight to the classroom for preparing my first lecturing. After finished my first lecturing, me and my friends went to the garden in the middle of our building, just chatting and playing with my laptops and doing some assignments. After having a time break with my friends at the garden, we went straight back to our classroom to start our second lecturing. Our second lecturing is a play performance class with Miss Mike as our lecturer. In this class, we're doing a reading for our future drama plays called Time Bomb that will be played approximately in the middle of June. After finishing the class, which takes time until 6 p.m., I went straight back to my car to preparing to go back home. And sometimes when I walking back to the parking lot in the campus, I usually stand for maybe like 1 to 2 minutes just to take a breath for a while and admiring the view. As you guys can see, the view is our motorcycle parking lot. And then after taking a break, taking look at the view, I walk straight to the car parking lot, which kind of take a pretty long walk, but it's okay. It's an exercise for me, I guess. And yeah. And to get to the car parking lot, we use these walking corridors. And after that, we arrive at the first car parking lot. This parking lot usually very busy and very occupied, so there's a second parking lot over there. But today I am very lucky because there's not many people coming to the campus, so I get the first spot. Because it was pretty late, I need to heat it back my car before I go back home. And after that, we're on the road back to my house. This usually taking less time than when I'm going to the campus because there's less traffic. Probably like 15 to 20 minutes. After that, when I'm arrived home, I park my car in my parking garage. And that is it for my day in my life. And that it is for one of a day in my life. Thank you so much for watching. And because we have a very long day today, it's kind of fun to take this type of video. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.